안녕하세요, Kim-Sam again. In this video, I'm going to break down native Korean numbers. Korean numbers are a big challenge that every Korean learner must face because there are two kinds of Korean number systems. There are Sino-Korean numbers and native Korean numbers. And even in the same number system, the number for counting quantities and the ordinal numbers are different. Koreans speak these four types of numbers so naturally because it's their mother language, but it should be a difficult topic for you who are studying Korean as a foreign language. That's why I'm here to help you out. You are in the series of all about Korean numbers. If you follow this series, I'm 100% sure that you can completely master Korean numbers. Trust me. This is the third one. I already covered Sino-Korean numbers and large Korean numbers in the previous videos. If you missed the one, you can click the link above. And today, I'm going to break down native Korean numbers, 고유어 수, for counting quantities. Let's dive into it. 출발!
Korean class.
Let's get started to read basic native Korean numbers from number 1 to 9. Number 1 is 하나, 2 is 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. Just be careful of this pronunciation, 여덟. We read this 여덟, not 여덟 or 여덟. Just remove prop consonant verb when pronouncing 여덟. Okay, 여덟. And number 9 is 아홉. Let's count again. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Okay, let's try to read from number 10 to 90. Number 10 is 열, 20 is 스물, 서른, 마흔, 쉰, 예순, 일흔, 여든, 아흔. Let's count again. 열, 스물, 서른, 마흔, 쉰, 예순, 일흔, 여든, 아흔. They are basic native Korean numbers, so you should memorize these numbers. That is the first thing you have to do. So let's try to read this number 11. We know that number 10 is 열 and number 1 is 하나. So we read 11 in native Korean numbers. 열하나, 열하나. In the same way, 12 is 열둘, 13 is 열셋. How about 21? 20 is 스물 and number 1 is 하나. So it will be 스물하나, 스물둘, 스물셋. Can you follow me? 서른넷, right? Okay. 마흔다섯, 쉰여섯, 예순일곱, right? 일흔여덟, 여든아홉, and finally 마흔아홉. Well done. Now you can read native Korean numbers from 1 to 99, and you might wonder how to read larger than 99. Mostly we use Sino-Korean numbers from 100. If you want to learn how to read greater number than 99, please click the card link above. And some people read greater number than 99 in a combination of Sino numbers and native numbers like 백스물하나, 백만스물둘, but it is not usual thing. At this stage, you can just think native numbers are used for smaller number than 100, and from 100, you can use Sino-Korean numbers only, right? That's grammatically perfect. Okay, in this video, I was talking about how to read native Korean numbers 1 to 99, but there is an important rule when some native numbers meet counting unit. That's what I'm going to cover in the next video. Question of the day. Write these numbers in native Korean numbers in the comment section below. 그럼 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕!